This is a quick review of the JP Winlock Pickleball Paddle Set. You get everything that you see here, which is the bag that holds it, comes with the handle, and then it has dual zippers. So this guy opens up really wide so you can easily get in there. Fully opens up. See, it's a nylon inside. You get a ball bag with some balls, and these are the Winlock branded balls, and then they come in a nice little carrying case so you can bring them on the court. And then of course you get two different paddles, or two paddles I should say, and these are really nice. It is graphite with honeycomb. They've come in different colors over the years. This was my first foray into pickleball. I've since purchased a number of different paddles, but I always keep these so that when I have people that want to start out and aren't sure if they want to invest money into pickleball, I always recommend a kit like this because it gives you everything you need, except for the net, of course. But you get two paddles, you've got three balls, so all you need is a friend. Go out, have some fun, and enjoy yourself. And I don't know how many hours I have on these things, but I mean, look at the face. They look pretty much brand new, very durable paddles.